Introduction. Hello, my friends. Are you feeling down, like no one is there to motivate you? Do you want to achieve something big in your life, but don't know where to start? Let me tell you, my friend, you are different. You are the one who deserves everything you dream of, the one who has the potential to stand out from the crowd. If you truly want to succeed in life, you're going to love what I have to say. Many people don't want to hear the hard truths I'm about to share, but that's what makes these words powerful. If you're ready to hear the truth, stay with me, because what I'm going to share might just change your life. 2. The first step, igniting the fire within. Now, my friend, if there is even a tiny spark of courage and determination inside you, then this video is for you. In life, we often wait for someone to push us, to encourage us, but real strength comes from within. Are you ready to light that fire? To push yourself to the limit and beyond? Because I am here to give you the raw, unfiltered truth. I don't sugarcoat things. I speak directly to your soul. If you are here to become the best version of yourself, then listen closely. This journey won't be easy, but if you're determined, you'll find the strength you never knew you had. So, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and let's take the first step together. 3. Unveiling powerful motivational quotes and success stories. My friend, in this video, I am going to share some of the powerful best motivational quotes and incredible success stories of people who started from nothing and achieved greatness. These are the stories of those who dared to dream big, who faced every obstacle with a fierce spirit, and who turned their weaknesses into their greatest strengths. You will hear about people who have faced failures, doubts, and setbacks but never gave up. These are not just words. These are the truths that will make you believe that you too can conquer anything. You are the hero of your story, and every setback is just a step closer to your triumph. Are you ready to find out what it takes to succeed? Stay with me, and let's unfold these inspiring stories that will make you believe in your own strength. 4. Taking the leap, your path to success. Now, my friend, let's go deeper. You've heard the stories. Now it's time to reflect. What's stopping you from being the best version of yourself? Is it fear, doubt, or lack of motivation? Let me tell you something. The only thing standing between you and success is your mindset. This is where the real change begins. If you can visualize your success, you can achieve it. Take a moment to close your eyes and picture the life you want, the success, the achievements, the happiness. Feel it, breathe it, own it. Now open your eyes and know that it's all within your reach. You have the power to make it happen. Believe in yourself, because I believe in you. Remember, I understand you are the person who can face any challenge in life. So let's rise together. 5. Final step, dare to rise. My friend, as we come to the end of this video, I want you to remember one thing. Dare to rise. The path to success is not a straight line. It's filled with ups and downs, twists and turns. But you are the person who has the courage to walk it, the strength to endure it, and the determination to finish it. You are stronger than you think, braver than you believe, and capable of achieving more than you ever imagined. So, don't let anyone tell you that you can't. I know you are the person who wants to succeed in life, who can face any adversity with courage and strength. If you are ready to take on this challenge, to rise above every obstacle, then hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and join me on this journey to greatness. Remember, your time is now.